Hey guys, and welcome back. In today's video, we'll be solving another popular SQL problem. So let's get right into it. We have a table called tweets and we have two columns, the tweet ID and the content. Tweet ID is the primary key, meaning column with unique values for this table. Content consists of alphanumeric characters, exclamation or space, and no other special characters. This table contains all the tweets in a social media app. We are asked to write a solution to find the IDs of the invalid tweets. The tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15. So what it means is that it has to be greater than 15. There is no greater than or equal to. It has to be greater than 15. So that is what we mean by strictly greater than 15. Return the result table in any order. The result format is in the following example. So here we have the tweets table where we have the tweet ID and the content, and the expected output is 2. Why? So if you look at the length of tweet 1, it is 11, so it is a valid tweet. But here it's clearly given that if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15, it is an invalid tweet. So in tweet 2, meaning the tweet with ID 2, the length is 33, so it is greater than 15, so it is an invalid tweet. I hope that you have understood what we are supposed to do. So let's go ahead and construct our SQL query. So before I continue, I recommend that people who are solving the queries along with me, or maybe even on your own, have some kind of familiarity with CTEs, meaning common table expressions. Because regardless of whether you're preparing for an interview or whether you're working on the job, CTEs are one of the most important concepts, because wherever you go, CTEs are used regardless of the industry. So I would highly recommend people to get familiarity with CTE. And even if you're not aware about it right now, it is completely fine. Just look at my video, see the way I solve the problem, and then get some idea about it. And then later, after the video, you can go ahead and learn what it is about. So let's continue. With CTE, as so hey, in the CTE, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tweet ID and then I'm going to find the length. I'm going to find the length of the length of the content per tweet. All right. So I'll keep it as length from tweets. Right. So what this uh, temporary table will give me is it's going to give me the tweet ID and then the length of each and the length of the content per tweet ID. So I'll just run this query just to give you an idea. I'll just run this query. So let's get an idea as to how. Okay. So this is the output that we have. So tweet ID 1 has a length of 11 and tweet ID 2, the content has length of 33. Now we can, from this temporary table, we can filter out the tweet IDs where the content has a length greater than 15. Correct. So select tweet ID from CTE where len. So if you remember, our condition says greater than 15. So let's run the query. Just give it a sec. Voila. So the output that we have got is 2 and the expected output is 2. So I hope you've enjoyed this video and I'll see you again in the next one.